Welcome back to my channel. What we're going to do today, we got some valves in this box right here. We're going to change this box out. First we got to lower these valves, and then what we'll do is get rid of this thing here and switch it out. This fake rock. This fake rock is hollow, so we can cover the valves with that. And that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we dug some of this dirt out of here on the bottom, so we can cut as low as necessary. It didn't have to take too much dirt out of there, but we'll leave it at that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these lateral lines. We're gonna make a mark so they're all even. Okay, so you can use, it's best to use a level on this. Make sure it's all straight. So we'll go ahead and cut that first, and then we'll get to this one next. Cut this off right here, just below that. Okay, put this aside over here right now. Yeah, you want to get that paint off because that will give you the seal that you need. Otherwise, your glue will not stick. Oh, got a lot of spiders around here. Okay, just go on there. And got that cover on. Hold it on for a second. Got 10 seconds. All right, good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is going to put couplers on those lateral lines. Okay. Alright, that's it for a bit. Alright folks, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the top of this coupler as a guide to where I need to cut. And so right here is where I'm going to want to cut it even with this coupler right here. Kind of see, I kind of put it a little even. I eyeballed it. It's even. So I'm gonna use this right here as a guideline. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut it. Let's take it away right now. Okay, now right here, right lined up. Like that. So get the primer on there. Cut it. Alright folks, so now you can see how even that is. Alright folks, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure this is all lined up before we put the glue down. Okay. See? And we're going to have to do this really fast. So I'm going to get that glue on there really quick, and this is all going to drop at once. Ready? Here it goes. Make sure we get this guy in here. Okay, we got it. Success. All those guys in there. Okay. All right, so when you put the glue, I put a lot of glue on there. The more you put the glue in, the better, but it gives you just a little bit more time to get those pipes in there. When you're doing something like this, you got to do it quick. All right. All right, folks, so I got the main water line pressurized, and I've got this shut off right now because I'm going to make sure this is fully pressurized, and then I'll turn these on in a bit. But looks like everything is fine here. All right, folks, so I got this fully pressurized now. I'll shut this off for right now, and then just to make sure all this is going good right here, this part right here, and then I'll turn it on and check this out. Okay folks, when that wraps it up, we got those valves underneath that rock. It looks nice. We added some more plants here, but anyway. Yeah, so it looks good. Nice. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section. And we'll see you for the next one.